The front panel on our Bosch dishwasher has cracked and probably only has a few more times of being opened before it breaks off. Is the panel something that can be replaced easily?
Do you know the model of your Bosch dishwasher? How old is it?
G55M15UC/64. It's probably 9 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Bosch dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
I just saw a piece flake off last night. It's always been more difficult to open than it should be, but I noticed the panel pulling away from the Power Scrub Plus button a few months ago. I wouldn't even know what to try. Is there a way I can send you a pic of the damage?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of.
Hi, thanks for your question. You should be able to upload a picture by clicking on the paperclip icon. Our website can auto-generate pop-ups advising of a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore it. I can provide a better service using webchat. Thank you, Gavin.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, it definitely looks like it's on its last legs. It's not too difficult to replace, little bit fiddly but a DI you shouldn't struggle. Here's a link to order a replacement one https://www.searspartsdirect.com/product/2fe2yifsa 600222630/id665887.
Okay, thanks. I showed it to my husband. He says it shouldn't be a problem to replace it. Thank you.
No problem. If you need any help when you receive it, let me know. Please could you click on the stars to rate my help? Thank you.
You bet. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.